What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. As you can tell, this is going to actually be a very short midday market recap. I took one trade, so one shot, one kill, and I was actually risking minimal amount. So let's check out the one trade that I took today on Lowe's. Alright, so the reason why I actually got into Lowe's was because it was gapping up more than, or not gapping up, but it moved more than 5% on the previous day. So I was looking for a continuation play. I was looking for it to keep going higher, keep going with the trend. So I was looking to buy it if it continued on the second day. So here, this was Friday. Yesterday was a holiday for Martin Luther King Day, and today is the opening day. And as you can see, it obviously did go higher. So now let's look at the play. So it's not anything super fancy. It's nothing different. It's called an ORB pattern or a 3-candle play, whatever you want to call it. I either look for it to try to sell off and then come immediately right back. You buy it over the highs, or I look for it to go green, pull back, and then buy it over the highs. Either one. So as you can see on here, I was supposed to buy it right here over 101.50. It was a little spready this morning, so I ended up getting some at 101.62. Then I bought another 100 at 101.86, another 100 at 101.91, and I actually ended up moving up my stop. So when I had already all my shares, I was actually only risking about $50. So one of the reasons why I actually decided to go out, as you can see, it was just ripping up and it was just not stopping. It actually went up a lot higher because I was already up 10 times my risk. Would you ask yourself, would you risk $50 to make $500? Yeah, I would do that all day, every day, of course. So this is, I got fortunate today, and this was one of the plays, and I played everything out how it was supposed to be. Added, moved my stop up. That's what you're supposed to do. But yeah, like I said, it's nothing really fancy. This was actually put out to you guys in the Facebook group way ahead of time, before the market even opened. I give you guys my watch list every single day, from gappers, the ones that are moving that morning, or perhaps some of the continuation plays. Either they're gapping up or they're gapping down. So I give you guys all that stuff way ahead of time. If you guys are not following us on the Facebook group, make sure to click on the link below and follow us. You guys will get my daily watch list every single day that I trade. But either way, if you guys do have any questions, there's really not much to explain, honestly, on this one. If you do have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down in the section below, and I'll get back to you guys. Also, make sure to click on the little bell button. Actually, I think it's over there. On the little bell button, it'll give you a notification next time that I put out a video. Either it could be an informational video, it could be a recap, and all that stuff. All right, but I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.